and I'm here to help us understand why Somalia is one of the only countries that has pirates. Okay, let's get started. Did you know that in 2009, a crew of pirates attacked an oil ship that was holding at least $100 million worth of oil? They kept the crew hostage for about 3 months and demanded a ransom of $25 million. But why are there pirates in Somalia and not Australia? To answer my question, we need to know a bit more about the country. Toodaloo! Let's start with the location of Somalia. This map shows that Somalia is located on the Horn of Africa. Why is it called a horn? Well, if you look at it this way, the northeast corner of the country looks a bit like a rhino's horn. Somalia is surrounded by the Indian Ocean to the east, Kenya and Ethiopia to the west, and a lot of the country is surrounded by coastline. Wait a minute, there's a clue. Pirates love the sea and need a place to park their boats. Somalia seems like the perfect place.
3.
The country Somalia looks a bit like my neighbour's paddock. Dry, flat, and does not have much grass. Because of this hot, dry climate and sandy soil, they don't have many tall trees nor grassy plains. The trees and bushes are low to the ground and spread out. See, I'm taller than it. Wild animals in Somalia, such as elephants, rhinos, and zebras, find it hard to survive in the dry season due to lack of water and vegetation. Hunting and loss of habitat has also reduced the amount of wild animals. Maybe because of the hot, dry climate, it's hard for people to find supplies such as food and water from farming, which makes the idea of being a pirate sound like a good idea. That still doesn't really answer my question about the pirates. How about we look closer at the people and culture? But first, I know you're dying to know about that hijack. A ship called MV Sirius Star was hijacked in November 2008, while it was 380 kilometers off the coast of Kenya, which is south to Somalia. The hijack was the furthest out to sea that has ever been struck, and the biggest vessel that has ever been hijacked. It would have taken the pirates 3 or 4 days to reach the hijacking point. What an effort. It is not a multicultural country, and the people are divided up into large family groups called clans. Islam is the official religion, and the 2 languages used are Arabic and Somalian. The schooling is not very good, with only 25% of the men being able to read and write, and only 15% of the women being able to read and write. Not many people live in urban areas. Most of the people travel around with their livestock, because it is too hard to feed their livestock constantly in the same place due to the dry weather. There's a clue! I found it! Maybe because there's no centre government, it's easy for pirates to be pirates. Somalia was first populated by tribes that moved around. Then in the 19th century, the Europeans explored Somalia. British and Italians came in and divided it into sections. On the 1st of July 1960, Somalia was united an official country. But in 1969, the president was killed and a military leader became a dictator by force. Clan-based fighting eventually overthrew the government in 1991. That did not solve anything, as fighting continued between rival clans and ended up in a state of anarchy. That means There are no laws or police or central government to run the country. That doesn't sound good. It looks like it would be pretty easy for pirates to be pirates if there was no police or coast guard. In fact, at first the pirates considered themselves as coast guards against the legal fishers. However, they soon realised that they could get lots of money by hijacking ships, which led to the pirates taking control of the MV Serious stuff. The pirates took the ship to port of Harahia, which is south to the capital of Mogadishu. However, a group of Islam fighters threatened to liberate the ship as it was owned by a Muslim group. The pirates then took the ship out to sea. Ring, ring. Oh yes, hello. Oh yes, I'll be there right away. Toodles. Pirates are starting to no longer be a problem in Somalia. The United Nations have been working in Somalia to bring peace since 1992. In 2012, a permanent central government was established with a president and prime minister. This has made it possible for improvements to be made in the country. However, the needs of people are still a problem, as there is a shortage of the essential things we take for granted in Australia. This includes water, healthcare, education, housing and food. In the end, the pirates got their ransom money, $3 million, which was dropped onto the ship from a helicopter. The number of attacks by Somalian pirates has reduced since 2012. After 20 years of anarchy, there is now some sort of peace, and it looks like the problem of pirates has been solved. That's all I have for you today. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Harandahia, which is north of the capital Mogadishu.